The palace says the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte was in accordance with the law. In a briefing on Thursday, March 20, Presidential Communications Undersecretary Claire Castro was asked to comment on Senator Amy Marcos' statement that the Philippines surrendered the former president to foreigners. Duterte was arrested on March 11 by virtue of an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court. The Senate panel on Foreign Affairs conducted its probe on Thursday into the former president's arrest. Citing Republic Act 9851, Castro points out that the arrest of the former president was legal.
Okay, sabi niya, bakit natin isinuko ang Pilipino ba o dating Pangulo? Ang dating sa isang dayuhan. Ito naman po ay nasa batas. RA 9851. Hindi po natin nilalabag ang anumang batas. Kung mayroon pong dapat na managot, katulad ng sinabi natin, hindi po ba dapat lamang na panagutin? Ang ginamit po na batas, ang RA 9851, nandun po na sinasabi na maaari nating isuko. O ulitin po natin to Doon sa Section 17, sinasabi po na to extradite or to surrender to the International Court.
Castro also says the country can surrender anyone to the International Court.
Maliwanag po, kahit po si Justice Carpio ay ipinaliwanag po ito na maaari po nating isurrender ang sinuman sa International Court. Ibig sabihin, hindi po tayo kailangan na mayroong treaty or extradition treaty na pag-uusapan. Basta ang nilagay po lamang doon ay to surrender to the International Court. At yun lamang po ang tinutupad natin.
The former president is currently under the custody of ICC. He's scheduled to face his charges before the court over his alleged crimes against humanity during his administration's war on drugs.